Snow clearing Henry from our previous videos. Loud, noisy. We need to fix it. But before that, we have some mail. We have the Sodor Airport complete set. I need to do some showcase. Comes with Thomas, this nice airplane, a bridge, this troublesome truck with some paint barrels. Oh, it's missing one piece, but it's okay. Look at that face, another troublesome truck. That's very cool. Girders or bridge suspension supports. One shade, that curb tunnel. Alright, let's do some test. Wow. Wow. You know what? There you go. That's much better. Cool. You can also, when the train goes by. Nice. We have this Air Duster Roedix R9 sent by the company for a review showcase, and this is the power slider or button to very powerful USB-C cable, brush attachment. Check the link in the description. Testing. Power product. Lady Tomy 2000. This model, see that we are going to try with white vinegar. I hope this plastic protects my paper. Oh, I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I don't see a good reaction. Wait, I think it's working. I don't know if it's I don't think it's corrosion, it's something sticky. I have no idea. Maybe someone spilled soda. Well, this works. Good. Yeah, I think it was some sort of like works good. So we get rid of that and it's fixer. Fida Pet sent us this product for review. Thank you very much. Nice packing. It's an LED retractable leash. Now it comes with a USB-C cable. So check this out. Press twice, flashlight, twice again. Ooh, nice rainbow colorful. Tap once. How cool is that? Excellent. As always, check the link in the description. Alright, let's begin with this one. This is the noisy one. This is a good opportunity to test the air. If you follow my channel, this company sent me this big boy, and this one is very small. And actually, I don't know if it's the same company. Check this, Bogma, right there. Maybe it's the same company, but thanks anyways. If you are new to this channel, we have to remove a cog, this cog right here on the motor, loose. Spare parts. With a new cog in place, we just add some lube and we are done. That sounds much better, very quiet. Big difference. So we have this James from Mattel. Well, look at that. Corrosion. Battery corrosion. Oh yeah, we need to replace that piece. That's not good. I have this broken tender, no longer needed. See, it's really broken. but I can get the part from here. That problem has been fixed, but there's something else in here. Can you see it? Can you hear it? Okay, I think I found the problem. It's the same problem we had in a previous video. See that crack right there? I need a replacement. So that piece can be only found in a broken model, so you can use the spare part from another one. We'll see if this fixes the problem. I think it sounds good. And we have another product from Fida, dog harness. This is for my little dog. Comes with zipper bags, so you can add something here. Check the other side. That's nice. This is for my small pet. Also check the link in the description. Rex, this looks good on you. Guys, check this out. A lot of rust and corrosion. Let's see if we can fix it. There is a lot of damage, I think, on the inside of this thing. There is some corrosion, just a little bit of battery corrosion. I think the big one is the one fits right here. This motor is stuck, barely moved. And actually, what happened is that this cog is sleeping in there. Yeah, it's really stuck. We need a new motor. This is the old one, and here we have a spare part working. It's quiet, but took me a little bit extra time, but at least now works. Percy might sound good, but actually it's not. Can you hear that? We need to replace that driving axle cog. There is a very tiny crack. Is that a train passing by? Yeah. Tiny crack right here. It's probably someone's gonna say you didn't need to remove the motor. But the problem is, if I leave it hanging, it will rip off this wire. Alright, we are done with Percy. Notice the difference? Excelente.